Imagine a world where typewriters never existed. In the 19th and early 20th century, typewriters revolutionized the way documents were produced, offering a standard of speed and legibility previously unmatched by handwriting. Without them, businesses would rely on manual transcription, drastically reducing efficiency and increasing errors in record-keeping. Authors and journalists would lack the tool that facilitated quicker writing and ideas formulation, potentially stunting literary and journalistic growth. This absence would ripple through to modern computing, as the keyboard layout and typing conventions originated with typewriters, ultimately impacting the evolution of personal computers and digital documentation.